Dear students, your teacher Syed Mohammad Nan is here in HLP Hashmi Learning Point. Today we will discuss the what are the access modifier scope. Now let us start to see the what is the access modifier scope used in VB.NET. Now see the definition of this topic. The area from where the variable can be accessed is known as scope, and we define this scope using access modifier. There are different types of access modifier for defining the scope. Before to see the list of access modifier scope, we should be understand the syntax of any subroutine procedures, where the first part is the accessibility, then the subroutine name, parameters, then statement and sub. That we have already been discussed in our previous lecture, where we understand how to write the routine subroutine procedures in detail. The first part of any sub procedure or subroutine, this is the accessibility. Basically this is the accessibility where from we can be access any subroutine or variable. Now the list of these accessibility are here. Number one, public. Number two, it may be protected, it could be friend, private or protected friend. Now we will see the detailed study of these 5 access modifiers in our lecture. Number one, the definition of public modifier scope. The public keyword in the declaration statement specifies that the elements can be accessed from code anywhere in the same project from other project in the same environment, and a public procedure enjoys the widest scope and can be used anywhere in the project. Now the definition of private modifier scope is that the private keyword in the declaration statement specifies that the elements can be accessed only from within the same module, procedure, class or structure, and a private procedure enjoys the least scope and can be used only in the form or module in which it is declared. Whereas the friend modifier scope is the keyword in the declaration statement specifies that the elements can be accessed from within the same assembly but not from outside the assembly. And friend access is often the preferred level for an application's programming elements, and friend is the default access level of an interface, a module or class or a structure. Now let we see the definition of protected modifier scope. This is the keyword in the declaration statement specifies that the elements can be accessed only from within the same class or from a class derived from this class. Now the protected friend modifier scope is the keyword together in declaration statement specify that the elements can be accessed either from derived classes or from within the same assembly or both. Dear students, these are the basic definitions of access modifier. I hope so you understand these definitions. Like and comment my video, and if you didn't subscribe till now my channel, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. My prayers that you'll always be success in your life. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.